Here's a quick video to show you how to reset the oil maintenance required message up here after an oil change on a 2011 Lexus RX350. First thing you need to do is take your foot off the brake pedal. We're not starting the car. We're only turning the car on. Press the engine start-stop switch twice to turn the car on. The next thing we need to do is make sure that this odometer is on trip A. The button to change that is on the left side of the steering wheel on the dash. Press this button until you see trip A. Press the start-stop button again to turn the car off. Put your finger on the odometer trip button to the left of the steering wheel. Press and hold. Press the engine start-stop button 2 times. You should see a message that says resetting oil maintenance data. Once you see the zeros down here and the message is gone, you can take your finger off of the odometer trip switch. Now turn the car off with the engine start-stop button. Press the engine start-stop button 2 more times to turn the car back on. And your message should be gone. Now that we verified the message is gone, we can press the engine start-stop button 1 more time to turn off the car. Thanks for watching the 5Able channel. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. Leave a comment and let me know if this worked for you too. And remember, if it's worthy of a high five, it's 5Able. 0101 1010.